the Houston ranch. This all burnt about 6 months to 8 months ago. It's coming back nicely. Bluffdale's next. To Bluffdale, Texas. Pretty cool little town. The famous Wilfons and the Greenwood Tavern down there. So I'm hitting this loop not far from Glenrose. I would say that I am west of Glenrose. Anyway, here we go. Paluxy Crossing Loop. That piece of property there belongs to Ernest Cannon, who used to be the owner of J Bar Fletch. Bit of cutting horse trivia. Beautiful property. Dry crossing, a lot of high fence, very pretty. Seen a lot, some black buck and some whitetail already. Beautiful old ranch in here, Flying F Herefords, I believe. Looks very historical. A hawk, a dry crossing, but could be fun full. Nice bottom. Turkeys can't fly though. There's no way a turkey can fly. And another crossing. This would be fun wet. Pretty out here. Marker. That's Gaia Maps, and I've got it zoomed out, and that is my trail tech, and I have it zoomed in. So I've loaded the GPS track in an SD card in here and downloaded it from the Facebook Files Forum for North Texas Adventure Riders, and I then put it on an SD card, put it into the trail tech. So I'm running two systems, one zoomed in, one zoomed out. Is 2015, and this would be another crossing. See a long way out here. The Rough Creek Lodge area here. this is where the rooster crosses the road, I guess. Well, excuse me. Bosque River, or what's left of it. Let's see if we can find a gas stop in IREDELL. So yeah, Bosque River crossing here. Oh, somebody's camped out. It's pretty cool. You'd want to be pretty sure of where the path went if it was wet. Some drop-offs in there. Back on 927, back on the blacktop for a while. That Springs, population 795. Big downtown Walnut Springs. Rattlesnake Ballroom. Go on the dirt. Walnut Springs, headed I think towards GLENROSE, but not sure. Corner. On the blacktop again, and coming up on the little town of EULOGY, in towards Cleburne State Park. Beautiful oak tree. Oh, pecan. Crossing the river again. This is a cool old bridge. It was Highway 200. Now I am on 199. Is 402 off of 199. Narrow, windy, pretty nice. Up and down the hills. Across the BRAZOS River. Of GLENROSE. GLENROSE is a pretty little town. Pretty historical. Got Dinosaur Valley State Park. Got a really cool rock bottom river here. Good swim area. The Green Pickle. Should stop for lunch. GLENROSE Town Square. Very historical, very cool. Well, they always have markets and stuff going on down here. Famous for their dinosaur fossils and footprints in the creek. 1001. Narrow, windy. Straight out of GLENROSE. There's a roadrunner. Meep meep. Whoop. Okay. Yeah, this would be a good one wet too, but same thing. You would need to know where you're going. Well, at least we got our feet wet. There's Dino World, y'all, if you want to come see dinosaur fossils and stuff. All the good stuff is in there. My kids love it. Crossing Tenere Road 1008. the creek crossing. Water's almost over. Still on County Road 1008. Pretty windy road though, beautiful. A few little horse ranches through here. Three Rivers Ranch, this is called. Have it, folks. I am back to where I started, which is right here, this pile of dirt.